Picture this, you have a game idea in your head, but the blank page stares back at you. Story, mecha action, and tech choices all fight for attention at once. Today I will show you Game4j, my autogen swarm that turns a creative brief into a full game design document. On-prompt is not studio. A role specialist team is. You ask a single model, make me a cool fantasy game, and you get thin lore with no real systems. No progression loop or Bible. No engine plan that respects budget and platforms. Game design spans 4 pillars, and one brain call usually drops at least 2 of them. So Gameforge uses 4 agents that hand work down a chain, sharing short summaries as they go. Meet the story agent. It builds narrative, characters, world history, and major plot beats for your audience. Next is the gameplay agent. It designs core loops, progression controls, modes, and multiplayer nodes when you need them. Then the visuals agent locks art style, character look, VFX, and audio mood that match the brief. Finally, the tech agent recommends engine platforms, pipeline, risks, and a budget-aware resource sketch. The handoff matters. Each agent first writes a 2 to 3 sentence overview, then expands its own design section with that shared context nearby. Stay with me on the flow. You fill a Streamlit form with vibe, genre, goal, audience, platforms, budget, mechanics, and mood. Press generate and the swarm starts with story, then gameplay, then visuals, then tech. On the page you get 4 expanders: story design, gameplay mechanics, visual and audio design, and technical recommendations. Let me walk a concrete brief. Epic fantasy with dragons, role-playing game. Save the kingdom from eternal winter. Is young adults, artist stylized. Platforms are PC and Nintendo Switch. Budget around $50,000 across 18 months. Mechanics, lean combat, exploration and crafting. Mood is epic and mysterious. That is enough signal for the team to work. Why this beats a one-shot call is simple. Specialists stay in their lane, and summaries keep the pillars coherent instead of contradictory. You run it yourself, clone GitHub. com/sharedcare/gameforge. Install the requirements, then launch with Streamlit Run app. Pi. Put your OpenA key in the sidebar, fill the brief, and hit generate game concept. Watch the sidebar flash each agent overview, then open the expanders and read your design document. Brief in 4 agents, shared summaries, full design out. That is Game4j as a practical swarm, not a magic button. When your next idea feels too big for one prompt, hand it to the team and let each pillar earn its page.